Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you that how to design using Canva tutorial. We can design awesome designs using Canva for like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube logo and many other. So now let's go to the computer screen. So here we will open our Chrome. In Chrome we will search like canva.com. So this is the site. We will just log in. I have already my account, you can create it. Once you log in, this is the interface. So here you will get all your designs. So I have designed these all. I always design my YouTube thumbnails using this. Then there are some templates. You can just click on create a design and search anything that you want, like like a YouTube thumbnail, channel art, icon, thumbnail, video ad, anything that you want. So this will open like this and it will give you some templates for that. For example, you can click on this, then it will be, you can edit this, like how to do dash dash dash. Then you can add pages from here, and here is the toolbar. You can you can upload any video or image here to add it here. Then photos, this is the photos, like you can search for Canva any photo that you want. Then here elements, so in elements you can search like drawing, then it will show related, like you can add this here, and using this you can rotate this. Then using this we can size it different ways. Then we can even edit the colors of this. So in place of this, like we can do anything that we want. And then this is the layer function. Then this is the transparency for text or any effects. Then you can flip it as ways you want. Then you can add even more images. So these all images are free, but there is one Canva Pro also, this Elements Pro. For that you need to pay, and they will give you some more catchy elements, like you can filter from here, Pro images. And then like this is the Pro image. You can even use a Pro image also, like these all images are Pro. You can use the Pro image, but it will give you some Canva logo like this. Then you can place it anywhere you want. We can, so this is the background image right now. So we will go to photos and use the search bar to search like rocket image. So like if I use this, so even without doing like resizing it for the background, we can just double click, right click and click on replace background, and then you can see that the background is replaced with that. Then using the text, you can add like a heading, rockets, and then you can, from here you can change its properties like text color. So you can make it anything that you want. Then from here you can change the font, like cursive or anything that you want. These icons shows like Pro, so you need to pay for that, but there are many for free, so it's a great tool. I personally recommend it. Then even it has effects, like you can make it anything that you want. So these all are recommended fonts. Then you can add videos, audios and you can change the background from here also. It has different options for the backgrounds. Then if I like needed to make a thumbnail, so we can use a different background like this. Effects as this. Then we can search like how to use Canva. You can align this using center, so this is the center, or if like it's like here, so you can just click on position, middle or center. So this is now center. So now like we will delete this and we can click on filter, free. We just want free, apply filters and search like Canva is there. So this is the logo for Canva, like you can put it here. Then like box, you can just resize it. So this can be as a footer, and then we can put here like uploads image, like Instagram image. We can put our username there. So I have used this. Then we will go to text and like choose the little body text. You will just drop it here and we can edit like, and you if haven't followed me on Instagram, do follow. The username is Studio Coders. Then you can use this tool to align it. Then you can even add videos if it has any Canva video. Then even it supports like effects. Just click on this effects and it has these all effects like slice. Then like this it affected, so I don't want this, right? Yes. Then we can download this in PNG, JPG, PDF or PDF print, even in MP4. Then you can animate this, like these all are options for animation and these all are the pro animations, but there are many features in free also. So like this, here you can upload your photos and use that later on. You can just like do this, drag it, and then so here are different templates. You can choose any for the automatically it will show like this, then anything you want. Then you can download this in PNG form or any you want. It will prepare and then download. So here is that image. So that's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.